The interesting thing about ViaSat is that we have been an equipment manufacturer for a very long time, and we have been a service provider to some extent for a very long time. It's just that the rate of change from the manufacturing side to the service side has accelerated significantly over the last 3 years since we've had ViaSat 1. So I think you will continue to see that change move even further and further to the service side.
Well, I think it makes us a little bit more like a user, a service provider connecting to fiber products. So, if we go to a level 3, we go to Zayo, we go to a TW Telecom, we buy conduits from those guys and we manage our own platforms thereafter.
So we want to have conversations with customers about what their specific requirement is. Is it a symmetric link they want to put together? Do they need to create an oversubscribed VSAT service? And we'll help them do that. We do that today on leased capacity from other operators, working with our customers to understand what they're trying to do, rather than trying to make them fit their need into a defined architecture.
So high-throughput satellites, as does any satellite system and any link, require the highest level of availability to maximize the throughput on that link. So for example, tracking is a huge issue. You look at the Ka-band satellites that are out there, the HTS Ka-band satellites, and you look at tracking and what a significant impact even the slightest tracking error can have on the link. And you say, what do we do as a antenna systems designer and manufacturer to ensure that the proper tracking is available? And I think all antenna manufacturers have to look at this.
Well, in my particular case, it won't. We provide video encoding solutions for a great many of our customers, and you couple the new modulation schemes along with HEVC, the high efficiency video coding standard, which provides a 40 or 50% reduction in bandwidth for television signals. It's a double whammy in terms of improving the economics of either increased channel capacity or higher video quality, which will be absolutely essential to support services like 4K TV.
We're a technology company, so we have lots of different products. So high throughput satellites is one element of a much wider portfolio. I still believe a lot of the technology that exists today will still be used. It's not just because we have high throughput satellites, everything else becomes obsolete. No, we're in the broadcast business, we're in the microwave business, along with the VSAT business. So I don't think it'll have a huge impact on us. Yes, we think high throughput satellites is a tremendous opportunity for us, and we'll take advantage of it as much as we can, but we'll still continue with the other parts of our business as well.
I think it'll be good news for us. I think with our customers at the moment, they're offering a hybrid mix of catch-up and OTT services. I think obviously the industry's hoping and expecting Ultra HD to have significant traction, be a lot more successful than 3D was. And I think there are all the signs that that's going to happen. And there's a good form for introducing high availability services with high quality of experience for Ultra HD applications like football, the Olympics and so forth. And these premium sport applications will still hold on to a significant audience share, even though there's a lot of discussion about the younger demographic using OTT and catch-up services. I think what will happen is you'll see a general rising in the amount of user choice, plus also a slight expansion in terms of the bandwidth expectation used by broadcasters as they transition not only services from SD to HD, but HD to UHD in the fullness of time.
Today, if satellite bandwidth is just, if nothing else works, if you don't have a fiber, if you don't have a copper, if you don't have microwave, then probably try satellite. Satellite bandwidth will going to become a favorite solution in many markets.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, some people ask me, are we going to go head to head with fiber? And the answer is, well, no. We see this very complementary to fiber. So whether it's submarine cable going to the coast, fiber to an inland spot, that point-to-point connectivity is actually very important for us. We need to have that kind of connectivity so that it can enable what we do, which is aggregation. So we're going out and covering broad areas, allowing all that content, all that data, all that voice traffic to get back to these aggregation points. So as we drop, again, the overall economics, we enable new markets, more rural connectivity makes more sense, and we can increase and address more of the market as it's growing, because everybody knows that connectivity market is going to grow. Nobody wants less connectivity, right? So how do we help continue to be really a giant aggregation machine for back to those trunks?
We are very proud of our business, people and customers. Our unique infrastructure has been built specifically to deliver a high caliber of service to a world-class set of customers. Our global head office is strategically located north of Stuttgart in Backnang, Germany. Our technical center and teleport benefits from access to uninterruptible power supplies, high-capacity fiber transmission routes, and highly skilled personnel. Pride of ownership characterizes our technical center at Leuk. With the only commercial teleport and technical center in Switzerland, we are positioned to support the very unique challenges of our international clients with global network needs. Our Swiss location was chosen for its superior view of the satellite orbital arc, its superior weather conditions, and its ability to expand with little capital expenditure. High in the mountains of Switzerland, Signalhorn's unique, secure and resilient technical centre provides a platform from which to deliver first-class service to its customers. Signalhorn Trusted Networks.